Having trouble seeing your T-Mobile data, talk, or text usage? You're not alone. The usage details feature in the T-Mobile app sometimes fails to load or shows inaccurate information. This is often due to problems with the app refreshing its data, a misalignment with your billing cycle, or a buildup of cached data. Here's how to fix common issues with T-Mobile usage details. First, force an app refresh. Swipe down on the Usage tab within the app or look for a refresh button. This forces the app to grab the latest data from T-Mobile's servers. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Second, verify your billing cycle. Check your billing cycle start date in the app settings. If the app is showing data from the wrong period, this could be the issue. Billing cycles reset at midnight, so the problem might resolve itself. Third, clear the app cache. Corrupted or outdated cache can cause display errors. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, T-Mobile, Storage, Clear Cache. On iOS, offload and reinstall the app. If problems persist, contact T-Mobile support.